In this part, we are going to demonstrate the encapsulations. So first, we are going to create the main.java, and then we create the account.java, and then we go to the main, and we also create a class, and then we add the main, and then we go to the account, and then we create two variables. One is the username, and the other is the balance. And then we create two functions to deposit and also withdraw the money. So we create a public method. And we have the balance is plus equal the money. So this will add this money on the original balance. And we should use double here. And then we create the withdraw functions. And then if this dot balance minus money is less than 0, then we will print out insufficient fund. Else this dot balance minus equal money, and we can also use the getter to get the balance. So now we can go to the main and create the account. For example, account Alan is equal to news account, and then Alan dot username is equal to Alan, and Alan dot balance is equal to 100. And so we can now try to withdraw some money, and Alan dot withdraw 1000, and then Alan dot get balance. We print out the balance. Now it said it is insufficient funds, so it will not withdraw any money, so the balance is keep 100. But the problem here is actually the Alan can correct his account by using this method, so he can have 10,000. And also, if there is something changed here, if we are not going to use the username, this variable, for example, we change this to user, then it will have error. So this is better to use the method of encapsulations. To use the encapsulation, we have to change this to private, so outside cannot access these variables. And we are going to use the constructor. So we go to here and we create a constructor by using field. And then we can also do some checking before create this balance. For example, we can check the length of the username. So if username dot length is greater than equal to 6 and username dot length is less than equal to 30, then we will set the balance. Otherwise, we will alert. Please use a username between 6 to 30 characters. Now we can go back to the main, and now you can set the username such as A, and the balance is 100. And then we comment this, and we try to run this program. Now you can see, please use a username between 6 to 30 characters. And because we cannot set the balance, or we cannot set the account, so the balance keeps 0. Now we try to set the username as Alan123, and the balance is 10,000. And we save it and run again. And now you'll get the balance is $9,000.